Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our skincare sanctuary. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of our skincare tips and tricks. Now let's talk about skincare habits. While there are countless beneficial practices to keep your skin radiant, there are also some habits that could be doing more harm than good. So let's explore some skincare habits you should definitely avoid. Sleeping with makeup on. The cardinal sin of skincare, sleeping with makeup on. We've all been guilty of it at some point, but let's make a pact to break this habit, shall we? Leaving makeup on overnight can clog pores, leading to breakouts and dull skin. Always remember to cleanse your face thoroughly before hitting the hay, no matter how tired you are. Over-exfoliating. Exfoliation is fantastic for slowing away dead skin cells and revealing a fresh complexion underneath. Over-exfoliating can disrupt the skin's natural barrier, leading to irritation, redness, and even increased sensitivity. It's like scrubbing away the protective shield your skin needs to stay healthy and resilient. Stick to exfoliating just a couple of times a week, and always opt for gentle exfoliants suitable for your skin type. Skipping sunscreen. Sunscreen, the ultimate skincare superhero. Whether it's cloudy or sunny, indoors or outdoors, UV rays are constantly present, wreaking havoc on our skin and causing everything from sunburns to wrinkles and even skin cancer. Make sunscreen your skincare best friend, and don't forget to reapply every few hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Picking at your skin. We've all been there. A pesky pimple pops up, and the urge to pick at it becomes irresistible. Picking at your skin can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even more breakouts. Instead, treat blemishes with gentle spot treatments and let them heal naturally. Taking care now means your skin will thank you later. Ignoring ingredients. One of the most overlooked aspects of skincare is ingredient awareness. Being aware of what you apply to your skin is crucial. Some ingredients, like alcohol and artificial fragrances, can be harsh and irritating, while others, like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, can work wonders for your complexion. Take the time to read ingredient labels and research their effects to make informed skincare choices. And there you have it, skincare habits to avoid. By steering clear of these bad habits and adopting a mindful approach to skincare, you'll be well on your way to achieving that coveted radiant complexion. Don't forget to leave a comment down below sharing your skincare journey, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay glowing.